Next on 7-Eleven News, the president cries on camera. Let us take a break from the regularly scheduled program for ES Trivia today.
Good day, everyone. I am Christina Gomez.
And I am John Pascual.
And we are here at Philippine Science Studios for ES Trivia Today to discuss the interesting case of Reunion Island.
On the Reunion Island in the Indian Ocean, there is a volcanic hotspot called the Reunion Hotspot that has been active for more than 66 million years. And during those years, the mascarene in Reunion massively erupted, leaving one of the largest volcanic features on Earth. But what is the reason behind this eruption, you ask? Christina?
Well, John, this occurred because the Indian plate was moving away from Madagascar, forming a divergent tectonic plate boundary and creating a new oceanic plate. And speaking of tectonic plate boundaries, did you know that there are 3 types of tectonic plate boundaries? The first type of tectonic plate boundary is the divergent boundary. This is the boundary type that happened in Reunion Island. This happens when 2 tectonic plates move away from each other. So as you can see, it involves normal fault and tensional stress. And do you know that when this happens, the magma rises to the Earth's surface and creates an oceanic plate? Same as what happened millions of years ago when the mascarene Reunion erupted.
For more knowledge about the types of tectonic plate boundaries, the second type is the convergent boundary. It is the opposite of divergent, because this happens when 2 tectonic plates come together or collide, and this involves reverse fault and gravitational stress. Another thing about this type of boundary is that instead of creating an oceanic plate like the divergent boundary, it destroys it and creates a continental crust instead.
And last but not the least is the transform plate boundary. This type of plate boundary happens when 2 tectonic plates slide horizontally past each other, so it involves strike-slip fault and shearing stress.
That is all for our ES Trivia Today for today. Again, I am John Pascual.
And I am Christina Gomez. We hope you learned something. But before ending, we have an exit ticket for you to answer. How can you relate this information to your life? The link is in the description below. Again, we thank you for watching our video.
Let us now return to the regularly scheduled program.